Shiba Inu, I knew this would happen. What am I talking about? Well, I don't know if you guys saw what happened last night. 60 billion left the cryptocurrency market in less than an hour after some news circulated about Silvergate, the crypto bank that, basically had people uneasy a little bit. Silvergate coming out basically saying that they're dealing with some financial struggles. And I didn't know this would be the direct catalyst that brought the market down, but I knew the potential for a dip and pullback was there, right? Given how much we had risen in a quick amount of time since the beginning of January. And knowing now that we have some data out there ahead of the next Fed meeting that could push us to another 50 basis point move, that the opportunity for a pullback here and really an opportunity to short the cryptocurrency market in the short term was probably a good idea. By the way, if you want to do that, my Bybit link down below in the description can help you do that. Sign up today, 0 fees, and you can also win a brand new iPhone by using my discount code down below. But I want to dive into some of the price points here. Let me take you inside CoinMarketCap, and we'll dive into some of these prices and the Bitcoin price. And we said Bitcoin could probably go down to about 20,000, and we are heading in that direction right now. Okay. So Bitcoin sitting at 22.3. And again, the bottom just fell out here last night from 23.4, lost about $1,200 in value just out of nowhere. We are trending sideways right now. You can see in the 7-day, look at that big, just whoop, big old dip there. And get ready, because beginning of February, we were down here at 21.5. I think this is a nice target. Now, hopefully we bounce off this 21.5 number. This is mid-February. Again, this is right where we started to burst back up, all the way back up to 25,000. But we were here already in February, this dip right here. I think we can come back down to these levels ahead of the Fed meeting, okay? Still, I still think some further dip is going to happen here. Now, in the 3-month, will we come all the way back down to 16.6 like we were in late December? We'll see, right? But here's another target, just a little bit above 20,000 back on January 18th. Right. So I'm looking kind of in this range for the next kind of support level where Bitcoin maybe stalls out. But 20,000 in that range, I think, is feasible for the cryptocurrency market to pull back a little bit. Remember, guys, we came a long way here since January. And as it relates to Shiba Inu now, let me dive into SHIB, because I know everybody's fascinated with SHIB here. So we're at 4.011. I've been talking about this. I am getting ready to add to my SHIB bag if we give back that zero. And I think the potential is there. If we see a $20,000 Bitcoin, I do think we might flash a 509 level again for Shiba Inu before we come back up. If we get down to that 509 level, that is where I'm looking to load the boat yet again. I made a recent video talking about I've got $10,000 in an account sitting there waiting to buy the Shiba Inu dip if we get down there. If not, I've got my strong positions. I'm happy with where we are. In terms of Shiba Inu, though, we got the big drop when Bitcoin dropped all the way down to the 1106. We've since kind of bounced off that a little bit. We almost got into the 10s here. You can see in the last 24 hours, we got to the 1104 range on the low side. We'll see if we can maybe start to rekindle some of those losses. It looks like that way so far. Volume is up. A lot of that is selling pressure here in the last 24 hours. It's up 55%, 292 million in volume coming in the last 24 hours for SHIB. But again, a lot of that selling pressure. You can see what happened here in the last 7 days. There's the big blip that we got last night. Again, 60 billion left the cryptocurrency market in less than an hour here last night. So we do have some cryptos in the green here in the last 24 hours. Immutable X, Casper, Maker, a few of them, EOS, and most of them, though, in the red. Now, we're looking for some opportunities out there. SingularityNet, AGIX, one of the top AI cryptos, down about 13% now in the last 24 hours. But for Shiba Inu, when we're looking at that entry point, again, for me personally, I am waiting to see this month if we dial back into that 509 level. For me personally, I want to see it one more time, because it gives me, and I think all of us, one more big opportunity to accumulate Shiba Inu at low prices before we start really gearing back up. And, we'll see. But we'll keep tabs on it for you guys. Appreciate you guys as always. But I knew this would happen. I knew the potential was there for the pullback, and I think there's still some room for us to come down a little bit more as we progress and get closer to the indecision that we have right now with the Feds, right? There's a lot of uncertainty there. Uncertainty usually means volatile cryptocurrency market. Usually prices come down when there's a lot of uncertainty. And I think ahead of this, whatever this is going to be, a 50 basis point move, 25 basis point move, I think a lot of people will look to maybe stable up and see what happens with the Fed meeting coming up later this month. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video, and have a great Friday and an even better weekend. We'll see you. Bye.